Meaning of endow.
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 Endow. Endow means to provide someone or something with a particular quality or characteristic, often relating to an innate ability or feature. The result of endowing can be the enhancement or enrichment of the endowed individual or entity, allowing them to accomplish tasks or achieve goals they may not have been able to previously. Endowing can also refer to the donation of money or assets in order to establish a permanent source of income or support for a particular cause or organization. Overall, endowment is the act of providing lasting resources and capabilities.